Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT answers your questions, how YouTube recommends videos you like, or how Google Maps finds the fastest route? The technology behind all this is called artificial intelligence or AI. In this video, we will learn what AI is, how it works, where it is used, and why it is becoming such an important part of our lives. So what is the AI? AI is a branch of computer science that enables machines to perform tasks that normally require a human intelligence. These tasks include learning, problem solving, recognizing images, understanding language, and making decisions. Simply put, AI helps computers learn from a data and make smart decisions without being explicitly programmed for every situation. How does AI work? AI works by learning from a large amount of data. It identifies patterns, trains on examples, and then uses what it has learned to make predictions or decisions. For example, if an AI is shown thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, it gradually learns the difference between them. Later, when shown a new image, it can predict whether it's a cat or dog. So, where do we use AI? Today, AI is everywhere. It powers ChatGPT and virtual assistants, recommends videos on YouTube and movies on Netflix, helps doctors detect diseases, assists banks in detecting fraud, improves online shopping recommendation, and even supports modern farming through crop monitoring and weather prediction. What are the advantages of AI? AI can process huge amount of data in seconds, reduce human errors, automate repetitive tasks, work 24/7 without getting tired, and help people make faster and better decisions. Disadvantages of AI. Despite its benefits, AI also has challenges. It may automate some jobs, raise privacy concerns, inherit biases from a data, and be misused to create fake images, videos, or misinformation. That's why responsible use of AI is important. In a conclusion, AI is transforming the way we live and work. It's not here to replace humans completely, but to assist us in solving problems more efficiently. Learning about AI today can help you prepare for the future because AI is becoming a part of almost every industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.